Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Finesse Monster. Thank y'all for tuning back in for another video. Dropping some heat today for the people that are skeptical about investing in the market, especially with how the world events are going right now. A lot of uncertainty and stuff like that. They know that stocks have been going down following the headlines and news that are out there. But I just want to reach out to the people to let them know that there is opportunity in the market still, and you should not be afraid. So this is how I want to start this video. Let y'all know this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just want to give a few pointers or a few words of advice for people that are thinking about investing but are scared to. Growing up, I didn't really have people to tell me about investing until I met some co-workers that I used to work with a few years ago. Kind of put me on to investing. I didn't really have people to tell me how to invest. All I was told was just to save your money, save. But what's the point of saving if it's not going to do anything to benefit you? It's not really going to do anything to benefit you unless you're constantly adding to that each chance you get. So the question is, why invest in the stock market? There's many reasons why people invest in the stock market. Many reasons. Some people want to grow their money over time for retirement. Some people might want to invest into a company for their child's future college fund. Some people might want to invest to add capital to that business account. Or some people might just want to buy themselves a new house. You know, whatever the case. Maybe somebody's a family member surgery or something like that. Whatever it may be, these are some reasons that people invest in the stock market. And it's not always to just get rich quick. So that's that point. So for me, I started with as little as $50 and, started my app. I got into the Webull app, started with $50 and just played around with it just to find out how to actually buy shares into a company and see how it is to execute a trade and to buy and sell. So I started with as little as $50, and the more time I put in with research and keeping up with latest market news and paying attention to the charts and the trends within the app, the better I got and the more money I made. I'm not going to disclose how much money I made, but I do not regret investing money into the stock market. I know some people that's watching this video, they know who I am, and I grew up around them or with them, went to the same school or whatnot. And I'm letting y'all know that if I can do it, y'all can too. So that's my point of this video. I want to make sure y'all know y'all can do it too. You don't want your money to just sit in a bank account and not do nothing for you. All right, so some people choose to play it safe, not invest in the stock market, and just invest money into things called IRAs or bonds, those different accounts. Some people choose to do both. Some people choose to invest in the stock market. Then their gains that they make, they divvy it up into other safe accounts. That way, those accounts could be either tax deferred or tax free, and also grow a lot slower over time. They'll grow, but it'll grow a lot slower than what it would in the stock market. My 3 investing tips that I could give to the people that are trying to start investing into the stock market is, number 1, make sure you do your due diligence, your DD. That means looking into the company's revenue, looking into the company's market cap, looking into the company's product, what they got coming out, what their future plans are. Also looking at the chart for the company, the previous history, past years of chart, how they've been trending. Pay attention to the long-term, short-term, and mid-term price movement when you're looking at the charts. So due diligence like those, for example, make sure you're doing that. Second thing is beware of risks. The stock market is risky, but if you be strategic And like I said, do your research and you'll have a better chance of making profit. Also with risks, we know that low cap companies, maybe penny stocks, the ones that are very highly volatile, you have to know your risks, especially with those. You see a stock that's 5 cents per share, 40 cents per share with a lot of volume. These stocks are mainly for day traders. They want to get in and get out. Those aren't stocks you want to get in and hold long term, because they could be on the verge of bankruptcy or reverse stock split, and you could be caught in under that fire too. So know your risk when you get into a company. My last tip is to don't be greedy. That's the one of the biggest killers when you investing, is when you get greedy. I personally have had my fair share of being greedy, and it don't always work out for you. So don't be greedy. If some people have strategic percentages that they want to be up before they take profits. Some people, invest in, a company or stock, and 10% up, they get out, they move on to something else. Some people 25 or whatever. If you up like 50% or 60% or above, and you still trying to hold on, and then the stock people start taking profit and the price goes down, then you pretty much gonna be getting less than what you was gonna come out with. So know when to take profits. Don't be greedy, because you could end up all those gains erased from what you made because you didn't get out. And that's something you're gonna be thinking about. So just don't be greedy when you're investing. Take your profits. Either move on to another company, another stock, or find a re-entry point that was maybe lower than what you got in at. That's all I really got for this video for right now. Just again, not financial advice. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions on investing in the market, how I started out, and why I think it's probably a good thing to get into. If you're not already, already well off, this might not be for you. This is for the new investors thinking about getting in. So I'm gonna leave my Webull link in the description. If you use that link to start opening up account in Webull, and you'll get free stocks. I'll get free stocks. And just don't be afraid to just try to find ways to make your money grow, even if it's not in the stock market. Just don't be afraid to do that, because I want to see people elevate. I want to see people move up and become successful. I'm still working on myself, trying to improve, and I want to see others do that as well. That's all I got for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody else, and stay bullish.